Hoping.
Why are you looking at? Something on my face?
Yeah.
What?
That's fine.
Baby, stop. Tell me. Baby. You're looking at my chin. What is it? Beard?
No, I'm not looking at your chin. I'm looking at your lips.
What's wrong with my lips?
I don't know. Something just wrong. You saw?
There's nothing wrong. You lie. Move.
You didn't see it. You blind? You're blind?
Slap you with a spoon. You will find out.
Here. There's something.
Lie. There's
No,
nothing. I just look in the mirror. Lie. You want to see yourself? Come, let me show you. She see the camera turn on. Hi. Oh, she say hi. 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 Say hi. Blow them kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, it's vlog time. The camera turned on and she look at it and say ha.
Bisous, papa.
Give Papa kisses.
Mwah.
She running.
Alright, who is ready?
Hi guys. Hi face. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day.
But you still in pyjama?
Me just show and put on pyjama.
But you still in pyjama?
You leave me here in pyjama go supermarket? No.
Yeah.
Liar. You leave me in workout clothes. Move.
She just woke up, guys.
Guys, lies.
Look at that.
Lie. I just showered and put on pyjama. I wish I was vlogging from body so you guys could see that I'm telling the truth. You well I know that you leave me here in workout clothes. Sarah,
Look
sick
at
and
her
tired of you.
hair. Her hair long. Long. Mwah. Alright guys, I hope you're all doing well. You're having a busy day.
You hungry about white light?
Yeah, me hungry. I was expecting to come home and to see my lunch. But you're not there. So I guess
I was expecting you to come home and bring me lunch, but it's not there.
I was thinking about it. At least I was thinking about it, and then I said, but look at the time. She probably already have made something, so it doesn't make no sense.
Even if I had made something, it could go in the fridge if you think about it.
It's important to think about it.
Yeah, but you didn't execute.
Alright guys, what we got today? You know what we got today?
Babe just got back from the supermarket. Outside is cold. Can I tell you guys that? Outside freezing.
Freezing.
Alright. Let's see. Surprise me. You find cheesecake?
No.
Where are you joking?
No, I look. I promise you it wasn't there. That's the first thing I went there. Yeah, I promise you I went there and I tried to see cheesecake and I was so disappointed. I'm sorry. I was really hoping to go for it, but it was mousse au chocolat. You're not a big fan of mousse au chocolat.
I'm not a big fan of nothing chocolate, you know that.
So then I went to walk around. The other one was the lemon pie, but you know, the last time I bring it, you didn't eat it, so it doesn't make
Alright,
no
show me
sense.
what you got.
Alright, what I got
Show
today.
me what you got. What you got?
What I got today. Odd meat. That's called odd meat. That's called filet mignon. That's filet mignon. That's still good whenever we don't know what to do, and you cook it very well. I have to say that.
Well, thank you.
That's what we got. What we got else? What else? Ooh, that's blue juice. Blue juice for the clothes.
You alone go and drink it.
No,
Nobody else.
The clothes drink it.
Oh.
It's blue drink.
Blue juice for the clothes.
For the clothes.
You're just as foolish as Tyler. Blue juice for the clothes. That's exactly what Tyler would say.
How you think Tyler look like? Like you?
Of
Like
course he look like me.
not look like
You only have your complexion, that's it.
You have everything for me.
Anyway,
Yeah.
we won't debate that. Comment down below and tell us who Tyler look like the most.
Olive oil.
Oh, he finally got to try this week. Carry on.
Yeah.
Good job.
And some
Chocolate milk for
milk
Tyler.
Tyler love chocolate milk.
You find oxtail or no?
No. He
Oh.
wasn't. Oh, let's
All
see.
my favorites you need to find today.
We have yogurt guys for Sarah. Look, she's here. She's like a statue. She just. I'm gonna do the supermarket. Oh, okay, what we have? What we have? That's her. That's her. That's all her. You know the person like you in school and you have to do a presentation, 3-4 person. You still have one person that do all the job and you have one person on the side that is like this, just saying, okay, I participate. Wait, I wish I make you think I participate all along. I stay like this. Well, let's see what.
I'm not one person in the group who don't know her.
We have
Chicken breast.
Chicken
Oh,
breast.
you're so lie. No oxtail that.
That's the oxtail. Yeah, you want to
You want me really make you drink the blue juice?
We have an oxtail, guys. What
You
else
lie,
do we
Papa
have? We have a second oxtail, guys, and that's
Oxtail
it.
from the win. Only two?
Ah, that was only 2. What do we have? We have salmon. We have 2 salmon. 2 pack of salmon. And what else do we have? We have yogurt, Sarah.
Tyler favorite yogurt.
Sarah's favorite yogurt. You can
And
be sure
Sarah
it's
love
gonna
it
turn. Sarah yogurt too.
Oh yeah, she love it.
And some other yogurt. Sarah loves yogurt, so
Oh yeah.
I have to be careful
I
not to
see
eat
my
so
favorite
much.
snack. I see my
I
favorite
have mini pizza. That's your favorite snack?
Yes.
Okay.
My favorite French snack.
That's your favorite
You
snack?
guys, these are so good but yet so unhealthy. But I love them, so I eat them. Okay.
It's unhealthy.
Of course.
We have Madeleine.
It's used to make
And
that.
we have cereal macaroni. So if it's unhealthy, I get it 2. Because it's unhealthy.
2 is better than 1. No?
Oh yeah, what we have here? We have a crepe. I
Crepe
took crepe.
Thailand.
And you know guys, because I feel so guilty eating
You
Thai
should have
crepe, I
taken
took 2 crepe. So I
Exactly.
won't feel guilty.
Exactly.
And I'm gonna take one for good day. And
By Monday morning, Tyler don't have none remain because they eat them all.
we have donuts. We have a cereal bar for Thailand.
But you shouldn't buy none for yourself because not every day you're going to have one.
Twice a day. She's crazy. We have the cereal bar
For me.
for the miss.
No, get it right for the missus.
For the
right.
missus.
No miss.
With some green
Exactly.
oh, we have a cookie. I should have taken 2 cookies.
No, I rather take the 2 curd than the 2 cookies.
We have flour. What else do we have? We have juice. I only take 1 this time because I realize we drink less juice. Yes, you drink less juice. I also drink less juice. So it's a combination to make it a lot of juice we make. We have rice. Don't try to take.
I didn't say nothing. I didn't say. Did I say something?
No, but every time you think, just know you think very loud. We have apple juice. What do we
I am
have?
just gonna
We have
stay
celery.
here and don't say a thing.
Which country do that
fall out
with?
in
Which
my
country do
ear.
that with? Is
Oh,
India?
man, you make it fall out in my ear.
Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. Rastafari is back. I almost took the orange one, then I turned back and I
It
said,
doesn't matter.
well, you.
I don't know how to take that, but if you mistakenly take the orange one, it's not the end of the world. Garlic, good job you take the
You're a
perfect
vampire?
one.
I'm gonna do that to you. It's going away the vampire.
Garlic run away vampire.
Yeah.
Garlic run away everything in Jamaica. Dumpy, voodoo, garlic.
What else do we have here? We have some healthy cereal for me.
Your belly gone do a friend, it's a good.
What is that?
Thank you, my cereal bar. My rice cake both cereal bar. So you have healthy snack and unhealthy snack. You have to balance the thing.
We have a...
I hope you take the mild one. Okay, good.
Say it again.
Good.
SpongeBob.
Come on, show the face.
SpongeBob. What else do we have? We have mixed veg, whatever they call that. How you call that?
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas. We have chickpeas.
I need to go and make lunch. I'm hungry.
We have some fruits. We have corn. It's almost done for today, but it won't be done without the Coca-Cola for Tyler.
No, Tyler and
Melissa wears Delaveaus and Sarah loves Coca-Cola too. And me, whatever we make.
So why you put your name at the end? Your name should be at the top before Tyler. That you, then Tyler, then me, then Sarah. Poor Sarah.
We have blue drink, Listerine, because it kills coronavirus. A Jamaican say that too?
USA say?
Oh, it's USA say it's Donald Trump. Listerine. So what you have to do? To drink it completely?
I don't know, ask them.
Oh.
I don't want to know either.
What else do we have? We have two sub smells good. And we have this. I was hesitating between the blue and the purple, then you say purple, so to the purple. That's it for today.
So nice.
That's it for today's. We have crepe, we have... I just needed a cheesecake and I'm
so sad. I was really almost sure you're gonna get cheesecake. You know why? The time that you win.
Yeah,
I said it's not evening, so it's gonna be there.
I was hoping.
Why are you looking at something on my face?
Yeah.
What?
That's fine.
Baby, stop, tell me. Baby, you're looking at my chin. What is it? Beard?
No, I'm not looking at your chin, I'm looking at your lips.
What's wrong with my lips?
I don't know, something just wrong. You saw?
There's nothing wrong. You lie. Move.
You didn't see it. You blind? You blind?
Slap you with a spoon, you will find out.
Here are some things.
Lie, there's nothing. I just look in the mirror. Lie.
So you have spank.
Lie. Yes, it's
Alright guys, that was the supermarket for today. Now it's time to get my crepe, my cookie, and a little bit of food.
Lie.
To fill my
Salad,
belly.
you're getting.
Alright guys.
You guys are still sleeping and she's supposed to wake. Let me show you guys her. I just want to watch her sleep, but she need to wake up. Wake up. This is dinner for tonight. We are doing pizza. It's Pizza Friday. Going in the oven.
Pizza Monday.
You guys can hear somebody's home, right? You guys can hear it. Somebody's clearly home. Somebody's clearly home. Tell me, what did you have for lunch at school today? What did you have for lunch at school today?
Bread, cheese,
And what else?
water.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, bread, cheese, water,
What else? Pasta? Rice? Fish?
No, you need,
Fish?
no, you need,
Fish?
You need to get.
Fish?
No.
I won't guess. Tell me. Pasta?
No, it's egg.
Egg? Egg and what? Boiled egg?
No.
Fry egg?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
And what? With the middle runny?
Yes.
Choo-choo?
Yes.
Boiled egg, fry egg and what? Egg and what?
And
Tomato? Lettuce?
no, I'm trying to remember. Egg and potato.
Oh, the white potato or the orange potato?
What did you say?
The white potato or the orange potato?
White potato.
Okay, cool.
Leaf on top.
With leaf on top.
Yes. And it was so good, Zilly.
It was yummy. You eat up all of it?
Yes, and for dessert, you need to guess what I can try.
Yogurt,
No.
cake,
No.
cheese,
No.
oh, ice cream.
No.
Oh no, I won't know what it is. Tell me.
You forgot. Sometime I tell you banana and it's banana.
Okay, a banana. Look, say hello to the faves. Hi. Hi.
Hi. Yay.
Hi.
One.
Hi. Tell her take time.
Hi.
Preparing dinner right now to grab on this. Well, you guys, it's raining outside like crazy. We soaked coming back from picking up Tyler. It's a good thing baby's home where I didn't have to take Sarah out with me, so Sarah got to stay home because it's raining. It's flooding outside. It was even ice falling. Yeah.
Ici. Non, pas sur les yeux, pas sur la bouche, ici. Non, comme ça. Youpi! Celui-là, ici. Non, ici. 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 Youpi! Ici. 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 Non. Ici. Non.
You did good. Good job, Tyler. Good job, Sarah. You both did good. Well done, Tyler. You're a sweet big brother.
Thank you. I'll never forget about her.
Oh, that's awesome. And I'm sure she won't ever forget about you. Alright, mini pizza is ready. So I took these out and leave the big one in there for about 5 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Tyler on pizza watch. You on pizza watch?
Yes.
You're too funny.
It's like dominoes.
It's like Domino's.
Yes.
Alright, you guys, there goes the other pizza. We already killed those. On to the next pizza fry. Yay!